Loaded with mouth-watering flavours, this simple baby broccoli, prosciutto and blue cheese quiche is great for lunch or dinner. First, make the shortcrust pastry. Place the flour and butter in a food processor. Process until the mixture resembles fine breadcrumbs. Add the egg yolks and water, then process until the dough just comes together. Turn the dough onto a lightly floured surface and gently knead until it's smooth. Shape into a disc, cover and place in the fridge for 30 minutes to rest. Roll out the chilled pastry on a lightly floured surface to a 3mm thick rectangle. Line a 20cm by 30cm rectangular fluted tart tin with a removable base with the pastry. Use a small sharp knife to trim the edges. Place the pastry case in the fridge for 15 minutes to chill. Preheat the oven to 200 degrees Celsius, then line the pastry with baking paper and fill with pastry weights or rice. Blind bake the pastry for 10 minutes, then remove the baking paper and weights. Bake for a further 8 to 10 minutes or until the pastry is light golden. Reduce the oven temperature to 160 degrees Celsius. While the pastry is in the oven, whisk the eggs and cream in a bowl and season with salt and pepper. Place the baby broccoli and peas in a large heat-proof bowl. Pour over enough boiling water to cover, then drain well. Arrange the prosciutto, blue cheese and 3/4 of the pea mixture in the pastry case. Pour over the egg mixture. Pop in the oven and bake for 35 to 40 minutes or until the filling is just set. Set aside to cool for 5 minutes before transferring to a serving platter. To serve, top with the remaining pea mixture. Perfect for spring picnics. This quiche is delicious served warm or at room temperature.